Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Skype account on your laptop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Skype website at www.skype.com. On the home page, you will see a sign up or get Skype button. Click on it to start the process. Next, you'll be redirected to a page where you can download the Skype app for your laptop. If you don't have Skype installed, click Get Skype for Windows or the relevant version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, install Skype by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the Skype app. If you don't already have an account, click on Create Account. You'll be asked to enter your email address or phone number. Choose whichever option is convenient for you and enter the details. After that, set up a password for your account. Make sure it's a strong password that you can easily remember. Click Next to proceed. Now, Skype will ask for your name and some additional details such as your country and date of birth. Fill this out and click Next again. You'll need to verify your email address or phone number. Skype will send you a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Enter that code and click Verify. Once your account is verified, you can set up your Skype profile picture and add contacts to start chatting, calling, or video conferencing. And that's it! You've successfully created a Skype account on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!